order to understand the skills which are required, let's look at a typical business analytics problem. So the problem starts with a business problem and you convert it into a data problem. And the first skill which you need over here is structured thinking. So how do you take these ambiguous business problems and convert them into data problems? In order to do that, you would obviously need a lot of domain knowledge and experience of the current processes and solutions in the industry. But using this knowledge along with structured thinking, you should be able to convert these business problems into data problems. Next, once you have identified the data problem, you need to work on what are the data points which you need to solve that problem and how do you get access to that data. In order to do this, you'll need to build hypotheses and you'll need to understand how to test these hypotheses. And typically, when you want to pull out this data, you'll need to know SQL, which we'll cover in the program. And you'll need to know how to read various types of data from different kind of sources. Once you have this data and you know how you need this data, you would now perform your analysis, produce your results, and then present it to stakeholders. And that is where tools like Excel, Python, statistics, predictive modeling techniques, simulation techniques come into play. And typically you will have the outcome which you'll present either in form of data stories or dashboard. And that is where you'll need Tableau. Now, this is a high level roadmap. We'll go in much more details in later courses. But once you understand this life cycle, you can now see what could be a good strategy to become a certified business analytics professionals. So the first thing which we'll do is we'll learn the tools which you would need in this journey, which includes Excel, Tableau, SQL, and Python. Once you know these tools, we'll start working on the techniques, which include things like time series forecasting, statistics, both descriptive as well as inferential, and machine learning basics for predictive modeling. Finally, once you know the tools and techniques, we'll now start applying these to business problems. Now, let me clarify, both while we are doing step 1 and step 2, we'll continue to work on projects. So it's not that we'll do projects straight at step 3, but you would now start applying your learnings from step 1 and step 2 to solve business problems and build business simulations. Once you have done this for quite a few projects, you can then start applying for your industry roles. So this is the strategy based on which we have created Certified Business Analytics program. And here is a high level roadmap for this program. So in the first part of the program, we'll spend a lot of time in learning these tools. Then we'll move over to the techniques. And finally, we'll do projects related to business problems to make you the certified business analytics professional. This program also comes with a specific module to prepare you for industry roles, which includes giving feedback on your resume, preparing you for various interview roles. There is a detailed roadmap which has been attached along with this video. Go and download that, and that would be your roadmap for this program. Thank you.